Okay, see the question. The length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 600 meters and 400 meters respectively. Find the cost of the land if 1 meter square of the land costs 12,000 rupees. So first, let's take a rectangle. Okay, we'll give the name A, B, C, D. See, this is the length, yes. So length is how much?
Sir,
600 meters.
600 meters and breadth is 400 meters. Formula L into B. Multiply.
Okay. Breadth is how much?
400. 400 meters.
400 meters. So this is 400 meters and this is 600 meters. Done. So
Sir,
what is the
video
area
is not
formula?
clear, sir.
Huh?
It's clear now, sir.
Area formula, area of rectangle formula, L into
B.
B. So 600 into 400. 6 fours are how much? 24. And how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. So, and what is the unit? You have to mention the unit. Meter square. So what is the area of the land? Area is 2,40,000 meter square. Now what they are asking, find the cost of the land if 1 meter square of the land costs 12,000 rupees. So for 1 meter how much? For 1 meter square it is how much?
12.
Rupees?
12,000.
12,000. So for total cost, what will be the total cost?
Multiply 12,000 into 2 lakh 40,000.
Yeah, total cost will be equal to 2,40,000 into 12,000. So we have to multiply 24 into 12. So we'll multiply 24 into 12. What is the answer? 24 into 12. 12 4 is 48. 8 4 12 to 24 plus 4 28. 288. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So what is the cost? What is the cost?
2,88,000.
It's 2 lakh, huh?
Sorry, 2 crore 88 lakh.
2 crores 88,000.
Arey, here only it is 10 lakhs. At this point it is 10 lakhs. 8 crores, 80 crores, 200 crores. So 288 crores.